Crystal, phone.
I know, it's been ringing off the hook all day.
Well, maybe you should answer that.
It's just another person calling to complain about Millie. Watch. Haddison House. Yes, we publish Millie Upton. Well, maybe you get offended a little too easily. Hang on.
Offended too easily. This woman insulted a great humanitarian, and I, for one...
See, they're all like that.
Hey, Crystal, you see me on TV?
Yeah, way to make my job harder.
You two, in my office now. And you, start handling those phone calls with a little diplomacy